Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. We recently went on a vacation to California and our family all went to Disneyland. Now, while we were in California, I went to visit a friend of mine that I grew up with. We've known each other for, I'm going to say 60 years, maybe more. And while we were there was a Hobby Lobby just down the street from where she was. And so I said, look, we gotta go to Hobby Lobby. I've never been in there. And oh, the things that they had. Now my husband says, now don't buy very much because we don't have a lot of room in the car. Of course, I didn't listen to him, but I had such a great time. So now I'm going to show you all of the goodies that I bought. When I first walked into the store, I was in awe. It was huge, and they had row after row of artificial plants, row after row of ribbon. In fact, I had a hard time picking out some ribbon. And you know how I love my red check. So I did buy one spool of this ribbon. This is ribbon by the Ribbon Boutique, and it's 1.5 inches wide, and it's got 4 yards on it. So I'll be able to do a lot with this ribbon. I was a little disappointed. They didn't have as much fabric as I thought they would have. They just had a very small amount. So I'm going to show you this little piece that I got. Now you know I really love fabric with coffee cups on it, but I also love fabric with teapot. And these teapots are so cute. I'm going to have a lot of fun making some kitchen items out of this fabric. If you want to get this fabric, the name of the fabric is called Fabric Traditions. Now you might want to look at a Hobby Lobby near you. If you don't have a Hobby Lobby, then I would just go on the internet and enter Fabric Traditions, and there probably will be other places that carry it. So it's a sewing machine, and it says, sewing is not my hobby, it's my passion. And it holds all of this thread. Now it just holds the smaller spools, but I'm definitely going to hang this in my sewing room. I have to say I couldn't resist this one. Now this one's not only pretty and cute, but it's functional. So it's a great way to identify your sewing room. You can hang it on the door outside of the room, but it's also got these 4 little buttons where you can hang items on it. When I saw this sign, I realized it really identified who I am. And yes, I really am a fabric addict. My husband can testify for that. I know this has nothing to do with sewing, but I've been looking for a long time for 3 candle holders that look just like this. And I have a special little place that I'm going to put it, and I wanted them to be 3 different sizes because it makes it more interesting to look at. I haven't got my candles yet, but it is on my shopping list. This also has nothing to do with sewing, but I am a real sucker for ceramic vases, especially large ones like this, because they're kind of hard to find. So I'm probably going to put it on a little entry table that's near my front door. I've been thinking about getting a new mannequin because I have 2, but one of them is really small. It's mostly for children's clothing, but I wanted another adult size one, and they had it in the natural tone and in black. I had a really hard time figuring out which one I wanted, but my friend Ruella and we both agreed that the black one was the best choice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping experience as much as I did. If you're interested in other shopping hauls that I've done, there will be a link listed below your YouTube screen with a playlist link. you want to just go down to the description section, click on the down arrow or show more, and it will expand open and you'll see other video links. I'll also have links to some of my beginners sewing projects. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.